abebembezi ba gavumenti abarikwebembera amatendekero ag'eby'emikono basimira abazaire omu Bushenyi hamwe n'endiijo myanya habw'okwiguka amaisho bakatandika kushomesa abaana baabo eby'emikono ebibayambire okurahuka kutunga emirimo.
Okushoma okw'eby'emikono it is very expensive. Konka equally it pays back shortly. Tibyakutamura ne bahasa shanangahire abazaire bakataka kusindika emere na rent no. Most of the time, I'm sure, once you finish, you get a job or you employ yourself and you get your times very fast.
I was sharing with the academic register and he said the students who join UTC Bushenyi, 98% complete and complete in time. I think we don't take it for granted. I want to congratulate you, the National Council.
Minisita w'ihanga habwa amatendekero gahiguru Dr. Christo Muyingo ojwekirwe Commissioner Dr. Timothy Musoke agizire gavumenti etire sente z'orukurenga obuhumbi 3 hari UTC Bushenyi okwombeka ebizimbe hamwe n'okutamu ebyoma by'omurembe nukwe kushaba abazaire okushomesa abaana baabo eby'emikono.
I would like to report that government has injected in approximately 31 billion shillings for the construction of the workshops and other facilities that we have launched here this morning, the procurement of modern equipment, the training of staff, curriculum development, among others.
Minisita Muyingo arikurabira omu Commissioner Dr. Timothy Musoke ashabira abantu abeetorire college egi okureba ngu baganyirwa omu nteekateeka egi.
It should be our pride as the community around it, and I hope that we all are looking at it as a blessing.
Our chief guest, the number of government sponsored students has for the last 8 years remained constant at 320, 160. Yeah, 160. Yeah, to this number is still very low.
Chairman wa kanso ya college Dr. Engineer Silva Mujishabira ba college kureba ngo bakorese byome bya government etira hamwe ogu okorese ente.
These investments have created a vibrant learning environment that has undoubtedly contributed to the success of our students.
Abeja bahirwamo barahagabo n'aba bahereza umwaka gw'2020, 2021 hamwe n'2022. Amakuru aga gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.